Hello Python enthusiast, welcome to episode 6 of our Mastering RegEx in Python series. Today we are exploring the caret pattern represented by the caret symbol in regular expressions. This nifty pattern is all about pinpointing the beginning of a string. Let's get into it. The caret is a regex pattern used to match any expression at the start of a string. It is incredibly useful when you need to find text that starts in a specific way. Let's dive into some practical coding. We'll work with a string and use the caret pattern to find if it starts with a particular word or character. Alright, so let's dive into our code. So first of all, obviously we're going to import the RE module. Then let's go ahead and define a regex pattern to match the start of a string. So I'm gonna say caret hello. So this would basically check if the string starts with a hello with an H capital. Of course, this is case sensitive. And then we define a sample string for the pattern matching. So here I'm gonna say hello, Python world. So the start of the string should be hello, the first 5 characters, the comma, even though it is without any space next to it, it would not matter because the first 5 characters. And then we're gonna search for the pattern in the string. So this is gonna be match equals re.search pattern and string. This is the same as we have been doing it all this long. And then we're gonna print the results. So this time we're gonna print match found or no match using an if-else statement. So we're gonna print match found if match is valid, or else we're gonna print a no match. So let's see this code in action. As you can see, it says match found. In this example of our pattern, caret hello searches for the word hello right at the beginning of our string. If it is there, we get a match like we just did. Now it is time for you to try it out. Use the caret pattern with various strings and different starting expressions. See how it selectively finds matches only at the beginning of the string. And that's a wrap on today's episode. Now you know how to use the caret pattern in Python's regular expression to match the beginning of strings. Join us in the next episode where we will explore more exciting regex patterns. Keep coding and stay curious.